Adhesive backing for quick installation. Beveled edges for a perfect fit. Genuine Leather. From the makers of Tourna Grip. Size, 1x46. Top reviews from the United States. Best replacement leather grip. Most rackets come with synthetic grips that deteriorate badly with use or non-use, and eventually become a mucky, sticky, synthetic grip. This replacement grip instantly makes for better feel and very obviously a better look. The only time you should use a synthetic overgrip is during a match. Right after the match, remove it and only recover your leather grip before you play again. I have rackets over 40 years old with leather grips that are still better than pre-equipped synthetics. These leather Tourna grips feel better than mushy synthetics by 100 times. I will be ordering more to renew a few more rackets that require attention. These grips renew the old and they are excellent at it.